In the 2017 death of an Austin criminal defense attorney will spend 40 years in prison. A Travis County jury made that sentencing decision late this afternoon after deliberating all day.
And yesterday, a jury found 26-year-old Justin Twine guilty in the death of James Jim Short. KXAN's Brittany Glass has been following the case and joins us now live with details. Brittany.
Well, Robert, Sydney, I think sentencing took a whole lot longer than most of the people here at the courthouse expected. Now, testimony for punishment was over just around noon today. Then the jurors went to lunch. Then it was straight into deliberations. Now, they took about 4 hours in all before they came to that unanimous sentencing decision of 40 years behind bars. Prosecutors say life in prison was the appropriate punishment for Twine because of the nature of Jim Short's murder, the torture believed to be involved. Prosecutors called 6 total witnesses in the sentencing phase of the trial. 5 of them were law enforcement officers testifying to Twine's disciplinary issues as an inmate at the Travis County Jail.
When somebody just cannot control their behavior, the only way to control it for them is for them to spend life in prison.
Justin's not the person who is angry and mean and is going to go seek out people to hurt. That certainly is not the case. Is he a person that needs to spend the rest of his life in prison? No, certainly not. When they're confronted with the situation that
the defense, however, focused on sudden passion, arguing the murder was not premeditated. Now, when the jury was dismissed to deliberate Twine's fate, the defendant stood seemingly unfazed by it all. Twine was a convicted felon on fraud charges prior to this murder conviction. That was another point the prosecution made during the sentencing phase of this trial. They say he could be a danger to the community. Now, Twine will be eligible for parole in 20 years. I spoke with family members of Jim Short this afternoon just moments ago. They tell me that they will try to make every parole hearing they can to ensure that Twine stays behind bars. Reporting live in downtown Austin at the Travis County Courthouse, Brittany Glass, KXAN News.